Here's your June 2022 programming cycle briefing. This month, we're moving to a bilateral focus, and we're going to be working on some aerobic intervals with speed endurance. The skill of the month is going to be mastering the ergs. The challenge of the month is going to be habit stacking 3 components. We've got 2 event-like workouts in Juneteenth, Big Floyd workout, and Canada Day annual. Working out with friends is just more fun. This month, our Fuel Friend Guest Pass promo is back. Stay tuned to hear all the details for June. After spending the past 2 months working on unilateral or single limb movements, we are now going to work on their bilateral or 2 limb movements that we've been progressing towards. It's still important to understand if you don't yet have the prerequisite progression to the movement, you should focus on that. That being said, back squat, deadlift, the overhead press, coming back to barbells. Are you ready for it? Remember, if you don't have that prerequisite, the risk to fitness ratio is not in your favor. Continue to work on those progressions until they're achieved. That includes the movement standard. For instance, if you can't yet get your hips below parallel in a goblet squat or in a double kettlebell front squat, you're not ready for the barbell. You might think you are, but that's just your ego talking. You can't keep your back straight in a deadlift. Continue to work on those kettlebell progressions. Then, once you're ready, going into a sumo or conventional is going to be determined by a few factors. Make sure you check out the videos on deadlifting day to understand the difference between conventional and sumo deadlifts, which one's right for you. We progress through the month each week with different sets and reps. Week 1, we're going to be focusing on a strengthen to lengthen phase. The strengthen to lengthen phase serves 2 primary benefits. First is what we refer to as functional flexibility. This allows you to go through the adequate range of motion for a movement. And it's a very effective way to help improve your flexibility without doing it too much. The second purpose is to help work on form. When we slow things down and we decrease the weight, it gives you an opportunity to really dial into your technique. So the tempo is going to be slower on the way down for movements, but because that weight is lighter, it allows you to focus on the movement pattern. Then when we repeat the movement throughout the month, we increase the reps, increase the weight, you can safely do so, which is ultimately going to help you improve your fitness. And week 1, you'll find out how that works. For the skill focus of the month, we're going to work on your erg technique. That's the row erg and the ski erg. The purpose of this is that the easiest way or the fastest way for you to improve your results is by improving your form. Now, we don't have a full gym of ergs. So this is going to be something that you're going to have to learn on your own to a certain extent. That's why each week there's going to be a video focusing on form pieces for each. Work on your form. Don't worry about going full out if you don't have form yet. It's the same as if you're lifting weights, and you'll get better. This month's challenge is going to be hardcore habit stacking. So a little play on words. There's 3 components to the challenge. The first component to this challenge is going to be core work. This is going to be daily core exercise for you to do. Now we want you to stack that habit with a workout. So the habit of doing the core exercise and the habit of doing a regular workout are 2 habits. Put them together, stack them. We know this is one of the most effective ways to help create good habits and bad habits for that matter. So when you do your core exercise, it doesn't have to be before or after a workout, but it's a good technique to get you in the habit of doing workouts. Or you can just stack it with another daily habit like brushing your teeth when you're done getting ready for bed, or even before you can get into doing this core work. The second component is going to be an RX check. So we know some of you have understood how to win the workout by doing fewer reps but more weight and strength workouts. Believe us, we know what you're doing. So what you're going to do for the RX check is you're going to get a point when you hit the minimum required reps. If you don't hit those minimum required reps, don't win this challenge. We want to get you in the habit of understanding the assignment of a workout. Because one thing to win the workout, it's another thing to win at life. And that's what we're trying to get you to do here. Finally, the third component is going to be weekly pace planning. This last habit is getting you used to checking your results from previous workouts. This is really easy to do through WODUP, and it's going to help prepare you to get better results in each class. Some of you might not be concerned about winning the workout, and that's fine. But winning the workout, or at least understanding how to win the workout, is how you know and understand the daily assignment. You understand that daily assignment and you progress through your workouts, you improve your fitness. Ultimately, that's why you're here. We'll have full details for each of these components and what days these challenges are going to be on, so make sure you sign up for the monthly challenge. The events for this month are event-like workouts. We've got 2 of them. First one is going to be Saturday, June 18th. And this is going to be our Juneteenth, our celebration of emancipation. It's technically on Sunday, June 19th, but having it on the 18th means that we can do it at both locations, at East and at Roncy. So if you've done this in the past, there are 3 workouts. There's a body weight, there's a kettlebell, and there's a barbell workout. Have a look, see what you did before. Friday, July 1st is going to be our annual Canada Day workout. Both of these Juneteenth and Canada Day workouts are indoor-outdoor workouts with a run component. If you're not running, that's fine, or if there's inclement weather, and you know me with weather, it's gotta be really inclement, then we'll have alternatives. Finally, we know working out with friends is more fun. That's why we do group classes. This month, we're bringing back the Fuel Friend Guest Pass promo. So you're gonna get a certain number of complimentary guest passes for friends of yours to come in and do classes with or without you. And the way that you are going to get these classes is based on the number of classes you attended last month. You attended 25 plus classes, you're going to get 10 guest passes. If you attended 20 to 24, you're going to get 8 guest passes. If you attended 15 to 19, you're going to get 6, 10 to 14, 4, and 0 to 9, you're going to get 2. These guest passes are redeemable for the entire month of June, and they're for anyone who isn't currently a member at Fuel. Email us at hello@fueltrainingclub.ca to get more details and get those passes. So that's your June programming briefing. Look forward to see you in the club. See you on the leaderboard.